Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in for another video. In this video I'll be talking about the cheapest good sounding exhaust for BMW E92 M3. For my exhaust, pretty much I spent total around $300. Roughly $200 is for the 2.5 exhaust mod. If you don't know about the 2.5 exhaust mod, please go ahead and go to the M3 Post forum. There's a lot of info about that on the forum. And then I spent roughly $50 for 4 exhaust tips, basically changing the stock exhaust tips to 3.5 inch diameter exhaust tips just to make it look a bit better. And then also roughly $50 to $100 for resonator delete. Yep. Then I'll just shut up and drive. As you can hear, there's not much drone, to be honest, especially on the highway. If you have the DCT, if you're in 7th gear, roughly 75 miles per hour, there's pretty much no drone. In the beginning, I only had the 2.5 exhaust mod, and it still sounded pretty good, but I definitely can use more sound and volume. And then also, I feel like if you only go with the 2.5 exhaust mod by itself, the car kind of sounds like it's being restricted. But definitely removing the resonator, it sounded much better. It sounds like the exhaust is free-flowing pretty much. But yeah, definitely I feel like it's the cheapest, best sounding E92 M3 exhaust that is not a straight pipe, and pretty much you also don't really have any drone, especially on the highway. down below. Ask me any questions about the exhaust. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.